The purpose of this task is to learn and identify the different forms of functions learned in the semester depending on the mathematical interests of our classmates by researching from the recent topic studied functions and explaining its concept, its forms of representation, and as well in seeing how math is applied in real life situations every day, commonly identifying the variation that comes to complex answers and explanations in order to do a function and work as a team for learning and understanding together. The materials used in order to complete the activity were 4 computers, Google, Internet, Desmos, which is a graphing app, sources from the web pages of our functions, paper, pencils, and calculators. As a team, we chose one function to focus on. Each team member had to find the individual information of his or her source, such as his independent and dependent variable and what was its present function. We decided to work like this because it's easier that way to gather all the information needed and to finish the work faster.
So in this project, we have two figures. The first one is a parabola that opens up, and this one was gotten from the symbolic function that was converted to graphic. And the second figure, it's also a graph that it's a parabola that opens down, and this was the example we used for the graphic function, and it was gotten from a source that was given in the bibliography by the teacher.
We were tasked to find several aspects of each function, and we were assigned 4 examples of a function. The first one was a verbal function, which, as the name states, it was basically a function expressed in words rather than on symbols and on variables. Rodrigo Gastelum was tasked to find this one and provided a quite good example. I, Yasir, was tasked to find a tabular function, and I decided to focus on the coal consumed during years and found it on history of global coal consumption. Ana Regina found a graphic function about car accidents in urban areas, and Aranza found a symbolic simple function, which, as the name states, it's basically the use of variables and numbers rather than words or graphs.
And for our report that we did, we chose a verbal function to have the information, and you can see it there.
According to the results of this project, we think that our objective was reached because thanks to this activity, we learned how functions are represented in our daily life and how we can represent them in many different ways. We also understood the variations of properties found in a function and what we think is the most important thing. We'll learn to work as a team by dividing our work and helping each other to reach our goal and learn from this project.